Hello, and welcome to another EPC Teardown Guide. Today's device needs no introduction. The Gameboy Color is one of the best gaming handhelds of all time. It's surprisingly easy to take apart with only about 9 screws, and today we're going to show you how. Now let's get into it. Alright, first you're going to make sure you don't have a cartridge or any batteries inserted into the system. Then you're going to take a Y0 screwdriver and remove the 6 screws holding the case together. They can be a little tricky to get out, but that's okay. Next, you're going to remove the power switch, and then swap out your Y0 for a Phillips 0, and remove the 3 screws holding the PCB in place. When taking out the motherboard, be aware of this ribbon cable as it can tear easily. Finally, you're going to remove the silicon pads and the buttons. And that's how you tear down a Game Boy Color. Thank you for watching.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.